Connect the mount. Push the ball head into the screen holder from bottom to top. Put the nut into the ball head. Push the magnetic mount into. Tighten the nut. Without tearing the red film, put the mount on the car screen for testing. Custom made for Toyota RAV4 models, equipped with a 12.9-inch touchscreen. Extra adhesive tape for replacement or reinforcement. Adjusted from bottom to top for the optimal angle. Install the mount. Clean the top of the screen. Here, off the red film. Install the mount on the screen and press for at least 15 minutes. Wait 24 hours before use. Here is the installation option for another mount base. Custom made for the 2026 Toyota RAV4. Push the ball head into the mount slot from right to left. Insert the nut into the ball head. Push the MagSafe bracket into the ball head. Tighten the nut. Install card slot up and hazard button. Press the four corners repeatedly with your fingers. Make sure the holder is secure before use. After sales service,